Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll talk about Autel Evo 2, 9,000 feet, and what else happened today. Stay tuned. So this morning started early for me at 6 a.m. We went up to the Mountain View Bakery. My wife wanted some mochi donuts, so we picked those up. From there we decided, hey, let's go make a run for it, and I filmed pretty much a lot within this one day. All the footage that you will be seeing after this was all filmed today. Right now it's 7:40 and I'm exhausted, but I had to get this video out. And on top of all that, something else happened on that journey. So stick with me, enjoy the footage. This was all in today's journey where I went, what I filmed for you guys, from the Hilo Bayfront, my hometown, all the way to the King Cam statue, the Wailoa State Park, all within legal limits. And then we decided to go up to the mountain, and we actually went to 8,840 or 35 feet, something like that. And we actually flew it from there. So from there I flew it another 400 feet up in wind gusts of almost 50 miles per hour, and she totally handled. So I had her up in an altitude pretty much like 9,200 feet, but it's kind of a cheat because you had to drive up there. So it was like an hour and a half drive to get up there, to fly the drone there, and then come back and drive down back into the valley to 0 or 100 feet above sea level. So my ears are ringing right now. I'm hot, I'm sticky, but I hope you guys enjoy the footage. And on top of that, stay tuned of what happened in that journey today. And I'm not quite sure if you guys gonna be happy with it. Here we go. Decided today to go try flight all the way up there, Mauna Kea. It's usually like 14,000 feet, but probably gonna try it like 11,000 because 14,000 we can't get permits, and maybe even try the Mauna Loa. So far, you guys seen already the footage that I shot earlier, and I'll take you on a further trip. Of course, some of them essential brakes. So with these 8,835 feet, we are right below the Mauna Kea Forest Reserve, which makes it legally possible for us to fly the drone. That's pretty much where we are.
God, it's cold.
You almost fall down? Where you fall? So there is a possibility to go up to 12,000 or 14,000 feet, but I'm not going to do that to my truck right now because that sucker might overheat. So, plus they still want to go to the other side, and there's a lot more good footage to get. We'll head there now. They're all sleeping.
Except me.
So now we've been driving for like 2 hours, and we just made it to the other side of the island. So now if you guys look back over there, so now this is actually how big this big island is. Let me zoom in a little bit for you guys. See? See how big this place is? This place is huge. Now if you look all the way in the back over there, I don't know if you guys even can see it, but that back there is where Dustin Dunhill lives. That's Maui. So I don't think my drone is gonna make it that far. So, driving 2.5 hours to go to the other side of the island and ended up at Costco. Bought some hot dogs for the little man, the big man.
I told my husband I didn't want to eat Costco.
Yeah, so she don't like Costco's, but oh well. Besides that, I guess. Besides that, I guess we did it. I did it. Oh no, DJI. Well, this is the adventure for today. It was 6 hours on the road. Showed you guys the Mauna Kea. Showed you guys a little bit of Kona. Hilo sign. Aloha. So yeah, that's pretty much what happened today. I mean, you guys seen it. I finally went with this bad boy, which is the Mavic Mini bundle. It's the one from Costco, the one for $390. After taxes come out $408. Of course, you're just gonna see DJI footage and everything else that has to do with it. I know it's an older drone, but it had to be somehow replacing my Paradanafi since my Paradanafi is not functional no more. I mean, she still flies, but she doesn't really record any footage anymore. I mean, she had 900 flights. So let's see if we can get a 900 flights out of one DJI Mavic Mini before I trash it. Plus, DJI Mavic Mini on certain areas where I'm gonna be able to fly it, I probably will use it for going between tighter spaces if she lets me. And as far as I'm aware of, it's only Wi-Fi and no collision sensors. So if she ends up in the ocean, then it's pretty much just like $400 in comparison to $2,000. So yeah, we'll see how that works out. I hope you guys enjoyed the show. I appreciate all of you guys. Don't forget, COVID-19 is still out there. Wear a mask, wash your hands. Be safe, everybody. Be a nice human. I appreciate you all. Aloha.